Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to presentation about my research paper under the title is The Influence of the Cooperative Maths Model on PK and Primary School College Visit from Student and Critical Thinking and Democratic Thinking. Okay, before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hayati. I am Master of Primary Education Program, Yogyakarta State University, and I am currently a teacher as elementary school teacher at SDIT Ashabul Kahfi. This is my biography and my contact person. Okay, we start from abstract. This research aims to determine the influence of the critical skill and democratic on student by using a maths models and the student with a lecture models. The population of my research is totally nine for people, all the PGSDF and PGSDE. Based on the research, there are so many evidence that a treatment, experiment, and has a significant influence on the critical and democratic thinking ability students who are given by treatment. Me, before testing by the hypothesis, the research ensure the pre-test and post-test are normally distributed. Furthermore, the research variety test comparison, the post-test score, and students took fair and using a measurement models. The data, we can conclude the make a math learning models influence the critical and democratic thinking skill prospective elementary teacher students. Okay, next we are going to the introduction. There are several studies highlight the importance of the developing technology literacy in higher education to foster students critical and creative thinking skill, which are essential in 21 based century and the increasing competition and competitive environments. However, by data empirical condition in my school, in my college, Yogyakarta State University, so that the student PGSD critical thinking skill subject is limited. I see the advantage by score presentation and course materials. It's not incomplete and not up to date to right now. Additionally, the monotones of the classroom environment when discussing civic knowledge, civic education, coupled with the lack of recognition with other students and the currently social issues such as democracy and case by the disengaged and least actively influence despite the goal of the civic knowledge to bring the develop higher order thinking skill and innovation in problem solving and the problem solver. The core of this introduction is critical thinking skill are also found that significantly impact student to democracy, engagement, and social competence. Okay, literature review by me, by the factor A and factor B, the expert Daly, Carpenter, and Keter, 1996 summarized the several definitions indicator of democracy attitudes. One is tolerance, two is expressing opinions, and three, communication, and four, upholding human values and dignity, and five, respecting different opinions. Factor B, expert Fashion and 2015 state there are six indicators a critical thinking skill. One, interpretation. Two, analysis. Three is an inference. And four is evaluation. And five, explanation. And the last, self-regulation. Okay, everyone, we are going to the method. We can see in my screen they are start by field study, and then I have by study literature, and then problem case, and I have alternative solution by cooperative make a maths model on elementary school PK and course review from student and critical and democratic thinking. And then I give them first test to processing by analysis and conclusion. This research use experimental research determine the effect model of the critical democratic thinking ability. Craswell said this research strategy that seeks to determine whether the treatment influence the research of the study called by experimental research. Same as said before, the population of my data is 86 people. We are going to the find and result. The result of the analysis from meeting 1 until 3 so that the elementary civic knowledge, civic learning atmosphere is based on cooperative model making more democratic. The opposite can be seen on learning atmosphere by experimental and control class. This the observer aspect. We can see the student have ability to think critical terms, attitude or behavior, and student have ability to be responsive to the thing around them, and the student have the ability to solve problems about their self and their environments. The last student have ability to convey ideas validly and coherently students. This progress that considered very good, good, and excellent in elementary civic course. Stay in fine and research. I have a chart of the experimental value, critical, and ability class control. We can see there are Earth score and average score by experimental and control class. There's observer aspect. We can see on my screen there are many aspect. Maybe I can assemble by identification by research, and a student able to provide real sample, and student able to face challenge with a strong foundation, and student can be analyze problem, and the student can express their opinions, their ideas in front of the class, and the last student can identification to make a conclusion from the problems. Stay in find and result the normality test and homogeneity test. We can see the SPSS output result in the tables. We are normally distribute, and then the result stroke by data homogeneity. It was found variant second post test and result class experiment and class contour in the same is homogeneity. So this means the result by data is on the same variant and homogeneity, and data is normally distributed. Same in final result, everyone, we can see for West sample correlation, fair 1 and fair 2, free test and foster control and experiment. We can conclude the learning model applied by make a match research had an impact on the critical and democratic thinking abilities of PGSD UNY student Bento. Okay, we are going to the core of this research is discussion. By the result to implementation of make merge model learning have a 5 indicator to obtain their encourage students. There are is democratic learning, increasing student interest, enthusiasm and interaction, collaboration, and opportunity to share ideas. We are going to one make a mess can foster interactive learning environments, encourage students to make a chance debate, and then increasing students to show greater attention, make a class more dynamic, compare the traditional lecture with by tags or maybe by discussion normally, and then student there was enthusiasm and interaction to improve both fear there and both fear at the lecture engagement. And the fourth collaboration, the model facilitation teamwork. They must have a teamwork and collaboration between student and between student and lecturer to fostering and supportive learning environments. And the last is opportunity to share ideas, make a match, allow students to exchange ideas, significant exchange their critical thinking and analyzing skill. Okay, everyone, the last slide for me is conclusion. The summary for me, make math cooperative learning models demonstrate a positive impact on learning outcomes, especially to fostering active participation and critical thinking and collaboration skill among PGSD UNY students. Research draw conclusion from the result and make a math learning elementary civic knowledge and civic education, civic lecture process which has influence and critical and democratic thinking ability of UNY student PGSD.